Good day traders, this is Liam from Sureshotfx. Today I've got another forecast about NAS100 for the upcoming week. But before we look ahead, let's quickly talk about what happened last week with NAS100. We'll discuss how the market moved and where it might go next. As usual, we'll start our analysis on hourly timeframe. Here we can clearly notice bullish structure forming with higher highs and lows. Here market switched bearish for a bit but again aligned bullish. Afterwards market continued to go upwards. Here market took out the inducement and formed another high. As this is Monday, we're expecting a false inducement to the downside to these key levels before continuation. But we also have to monitor these unmitigated imbalances which may get filled during the inducement move. Now, let's hide our drawings and go to higher time frame like H4. On H4, market is clearly bearish with lower lows and highs. So the bullish move we're noticing on H1 is potentially a pullback of this bearish leg. Market might mitigate these key zones or the huge imbalance and then continue to go downside again. However, let's head back to the hourly time frame. So, what are we expecting from NAS100 this week? We're waiting for a false inducement at the beginning of the week, and after confirmation we'll look for buy setups like this. But we also have to keep in mind that market may not respect the zones and break through the lower low. In that case market may switch its direction from bullish to bearish and will then look for sell setups. That's all for our NAS100 forecast for the week. Make sure to subscribe to Sureshotfx for more helpful information about forex. I wish you all successful trades. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in our next video.